Hello, welcome to T.R.E.E. I am your host, Tiffany Owino. The topic of today is clean cooking. Clean cooking is the use of clean fuels and energy-efficient cookstoves in cooking. Clean fuels are fuels that attain a fine particulate matter and carbon monoxide level recommended by the World Health Organization Global Air Quality Guidelines of 2021. In other terms, clean fuels are fuels that, when used, do not cause harm to the environment or to our health. Examples of clean fuels include biogas, ethanol, briquettes, electricity, among others. Energy-efficient cookstoves, also known as improved cookstoves or clean cookstoves, are cookstoves that have the following characteristics. 1. They use clean fuel. 2. They use less amount of the said fuel. And 3. They reduce on pollution. Examples of clean cookstoves in Kenya include jikokoa and cocoa fuel. According to World Health Organization, 2.4 billion people globally still do not have access to clean cooking. This means that these people are using unclean fuels in their cooking, such as wood, kerosene, charcoal, and natural gas. The said fuels are considered unclean because they cause adverse effects to the environment, that is through deforestation in charcoal and firewood, and also indoor air pollution. According to a report by World Health Organization, 3.2 million deaths were recorded in 2020, with 237,000 cases of children below the age of 5. All this due to indoor air pollution, also known as household air pollution. The benefits of clean cooking include improved health and time saving, preserved forests and ecosystems, reduced emissions that lead to climate change. The transition to clean cooking will help attain Sustainable Development Goal number 3, that is good health and well-being, number 7, affordable and clean energy, and number 13, climate action. So the next time you get into your kitchen, kindly consider clean cooking. This will not only be of benefit to your health, but to the whole environment as well. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more renewable energy news.